most important things in algebra is you have to know how to solve equations. You have to know how to solve equations. Man, you have to know how to solve equations. If you don't know how to solve equations, man, you're not going to make it. So that's what I'm going to teach. I'm going to go step by step. And for this first video right here, we're going to learn how to solve one-step equations, all right? These are going to be easy peasy. And here's what I want you to do. I want you to get used to seeing how they look. I don't care about the numbers. I care about you recognizing how they look. That way you can respond to them correctly. All right, let's go.
When it comes to you, I'm about whatever.
We riding.
All right, we're going to solve two equations at once because I want you to know and see how easy it is to solve inequalities. These inequalities... Whoa. Time out. Almost forgot. Before we ever do anything, before we ever learn anything, before we even try to get some new knowledge, you have to make sure that your head is right, man. You got to make sure that your mental health is good, your spiritual health is good. So there's a pledge that we say over ourselves. We've been saying it for the last 3 years, and this just helps clear your mind. It helps you get rid of all the mess and all the noise, and it'll help your learning happen faster, quicker, and sharper. All right, here we go. I'm going to put the words on the screen right now. You're going to say it with me. Here's how it's going to go. Something like this. All right, that's the cadence. All right, here we go. On three. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Today is a new day. I can read well. I can understand what I read. I can remember it and apply it correctly. I've got eyes to see, ears to hear, and a mind to understand. It might not be easy, but it's worth it. All right. Ready? All right, let's go. Now I'm ready to go. Whew. Equalities, you follow the same steps, the same way you follow these equal signs these equations. So we're going to do it side by side, each step by each step. That way you can see what's up, and you won't freak out whenever you see equations that look like this. All right, here we go. Let's go. First step, I give you 6 steps. You have 6 steps when it comes to solving equations. The first step is you need to find the equal sign. Find the equal sign. Here we go. Let's find it. Let's find it on number 1. Here it is. I just found it. All right, when you find that equal sign, you need to draw a line down it. There we go. I just drew my line down the equal sign. The reason why you do that is because you want to figure out where my left side is and where my right side is. Now, you better know your left and your right. Your left makes an L right here, and your right is doesn't make an L. So here you go. Here's my left, and there's my right. Let's go to number 2. Let's do step 1 on number 2. Find the equal sign. Do you see it? No, me neither. But look, you see that weird inequality right here? This is called the inequality sign. We are going to draw a line down the inequality sign. You treat it like an equal sign. Let's go. There's my line. What's the purpose in that? Why are we doing that? Because you want to figure out where the left is and where the right is. So there's my left, there's my right. Nice! You're doing a great job so far. Step number 2 is we want to look for fractions. I want to look for fractions and see if I can clear any fractions up, because, man, I hate fractions. They're disgusting. So I want to clean them up first. Any fractions here? Nope. Any fractions here? Nope. Whew, that's good. Let's check out number 2. Any fractions here? Nope. Any fractions here? Nope. Man, that's what's up. All right, the third step is I'm looking for parentheses. Because if there's any parentheses, I gotta break those parentheses off. Any parentheses here? No. How about here? No. Go to problem number 2. Any parentheses here? Nope. Any parentheses here? Nope. Dang, man, that's what's up. All right, third step is combining like terms. You won't see that yet. I'll tell you when we do see it, but just know that here's what you would do when you combine like terms. You see how this is an S right here? Do you see any other S's on the same side? No, but if you did, then you would combine them. You would put them together. How about here? Do you see any S's? I see one, but I don't see any others, so you can't really combine them with anybody. Same thing with these numbers. I see a regular number here, but I don't see another regular number, so I can't fix the backside either. So there is no like terms to combine. All right, the next step after you combine like terms is I want to collect all of my letters to the left-hand side. All my letters to the left. It's just easier for me that way. So here's my left-hand side. Remember that line we drew? That's the whole point of it. Here's the left. I have an S right here. Perfect. He's good. Are there any letters on the right-hand side that I got to move over? No, there's not. It's perfect. Check out number 2. Does he have all the letters on the left-hand side? Check him out. Yes, he does. It's the S, and it's just right here. There's no S over here to move over. So good, he's done. All right, the last step is since I got all the letters to the left, I want to kick all my numbers to the right. So here we go. I'm on the right-hand side. I want all of my numbers to be here. I look here on the left. Is there anybody here on the left that I need to pick up and kick to the right? Yes, there is. It's this +5. So here's how you do it. Here is how you move a plus 5, just like this. You circle him. That way you know, and I know, and everybody knows that this guy is a plus 5. Now I'm going to bring him to the other side, the side that he belongs on. He belongs on the right-hand side. I'm going to draw him right here underneath that 18. Now this plus 5 is going to turn into a minus 5 when I write it down. Boom. Minus 5. Perfect. Now I draw this big old long line because I want to see, like, all right, let's see what's about to happen. I just moved one thing. Now let's see what's about to happen. All right, let's go to number 2. We're going to do our step here. Let's kick all the numbers from the left-hand side to the right-hand side here on number 2. It's that 5, right? We got to kick him out. He doesn't belong. So what kind of 5 is that? It's a plus 5. So go plus 5, kick him out. What will that plus 5 turn into? A minus 5. Good. All right, now let's draw our line so we can see what happens. Here, you go back and read the original equation, the step I was just at. S, did we touch that S? No, so he falls down. That 5, did we touch that 5? Yes, we did. We scooted him to the other side, so he's not there anymore. So I go to the next thing, the equal sign. Equal sign is always there, so he's right there on the line. All right, now we got this 18. Did we touch this 18? Yes, we did. We did touch him because we brought a minus 5 under him. So you can go 18 minus 5, and what's that going to give you? A 13. Nice. You're actually done. S is equal to 13. You're finished. I got all my letters on the left, all my numbers on the right. You're done. Let's go to number 2. You do number 2. Here we go. Did we touch the S? Nope. He falls down. Did we touch this plus 5? Yes, we did. We kicked him out, so now he's over here. So I can't write him. The plus 5 is gone. The symbol stays the same. Now we got to do this math right here. 18 subtract 5. What does that give you? 13. All right, and that's it. That's the first example right there. All right, here we go. The next examples. Examples number 3 and 4. I've got x minus 2 equals 16. X minus 2 is greater than 16. We're doing these side by side so you can see how the rules don't change. First step, what is it? Draw a line to find the equal sign, and then we're going to draw a line down. Here we go. Boom. There's my line. Sweet. Now, do it to the other guy too. You do it. There he goes. I didn't find the equal sign. Hey, you treat that inequality like the equal sign. Treat that weird guy like the equal sign. Treat him the same. All right, let's go back to this example. All right, now, I want to look for fractions. Step 2 is look for fractions. There's no fractions. Nice. Step 3, look for parentheses. I don't see any parentheses either. Nice. Step 4, combine like terms. There's no like terms to combine. Nice. You'll see that one day. Step 5, I want to get all my letters to the left. Oops, I forgot to identify my sides. There's left, there's right. All right, I want all my letters on the left-hand side. Are all of my letters on the left? Yeah, I've got an X there. Now let's make sure that there's no letters on the right that I got to kick over. Nope, no one on the right that I got to move over, so we're good. Number 4, all my letters on the left here? Yes, there are. There's no letters on the right hanging out, so I don't have to move anybody over to the left. Last step, I want to kick all my numbers to the right. All my numbers need to go to the right-hand side. Here's the right-hand side. I want all my numbers here. I've got a 16. Is there anybody on the left-hand side that doesn't belong? Yes, there is. Who doesn't belong? That 2 right there, and it's a minus 2. So let's circle that 2 and his sign. Boom, he's a minus 2. So you circle it so that I know that you know that anybody that sees your work will know that you know that he's a minus 2. So I got to scoot him over to the other side. He doesn't belong on the left. I got to kick him to the right. That minus 2 becomes a positive 2. You change the sign. You change the sign. This was a minus 2, now that's a positive 2. All right, other guy, do the same thing to number 4. I want to get all my letters to the left. They're already on the left. Now I want to get all my numbers and kick them out to the right. He doesn't belong there. Grab him. Kick him out to the right. Put a plus 2. Perfect. You're doing so good so far. All right, now let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Did we touch this X? No, he falls down. Did we touch this negative 2? Yes, he's gone. He's not there anymore. Equal sign stays here. 16, did we touch it? Yes, we did. We brought in a plus 2 to him. 16 plus 2 is 18. Nice. All of my letters on the left, all of my numbers on the right. We're good. Let's go finish up number 4. Did we touch this X? No, he falls down. Did we touch this minus 2? Yes, so he's gone. Forgot to write the X. He's gone. He's already over here. Keep this symbol the same. 16, did we touch that 16? Yes, we did. We brought the plus 2 to him. Very good. All right, you're seeing it. You're seeing it. 16 plus 2 is 18. Nice. You are finished. You got letters on the left, the numbers on the right. You're all the way done. That's what's up. That's how you do it when the problems have a subtraction sign on them. All right, here we go. For these next 4 examples, for this next set of examples, I'm going to do 4 of them at a time because I need you to see what happens here because it's very important. This is the part that confuses a lot of kids, but if we can do it all at once, maybe you can figure it out better. The sooner you see it, the better you'll be. All right, here we go. Example number 5 is C over 4 equals 12. Example number 6 is C over 4 is less than 12. Remember the same thing, you do know how to use it. We're going to do just the top part first. All right, here we go. But I want to leave it up here, that way when we do the bottom, you can see them both at the same time. Or all 4 of these. Here you go, number 5. Step 1, find the equal sign. Found it. Draw your line. Left, right. Do it for the number 6 too. Find the equal sign. Oh, I don't see the equal sign for number 6. I don't know what to do. Yes, use that weird sign right here. Treat them the same. Line down the equal sign. There's my left, there's my right. Okay. Step 2, look for fractions. Do you see any fractions? I actually do. Yes, we do see fractions. Here's how you clear a fraction. Here's how to get rid of the fraction. All you're going to do, take the number that's making it a fraction. That 4 is making it a fraction, right? He's messing the whole thing up. So you get that 4, and you're going to kick him out from the bottom, and you're going to put him on the side. This 4 is a problem, right? He's a problem for us. So you take that problem, put him on the side, and you put that problem in parentheses. You put that problem in parentheses, just like that. Now, do the same thing for the other guy over here. All right, here we go. Look for fractions. Do you see a fraction? Yes, you do see a fraction. Where? Where is it? Yes, right here. Who is the fraction? Is it the C or is it the 4? The 4 is the fraction. The 4 is the one that's causing the problem. So you're going to take that problem out, and you're going to write him on the back in parentheses. Just like that. Put the problem in parentheses. The parentheses means that you're about to multiply. So here we go. Let's see what happened. Did we touch the C? No, the C falls down. Did we touch the 4? Yes, the 4 got kicked out over there. It's being multiplied. Did we touch this 12? Yes, we did. We brought the 4 in parentheses. That means multiply. So you can go 12 times 4, and that's going to give you your answer. 12 times 4 is 48. Nice. And you're done. Fractions aren't difficult. Maybe you just haven't heard it in the right set of words. Number 6. Let's try number 6. I did all my stuff. Let's see what's happening. Did we touch this C? Nope. So he falls down. Did we touch this 4? Yes, we did. He's gone. He's now in parentheses on the other side. Keep this little guy right here. What happened to this 12? 12 times 4 gives us 48. And you are finished. Easy, right? Not a big deal? Alright, hey, heads up. I had to edit these real quick. I fixed these problems because it's easier for you to see it if I wrote it like this instead of with the negative on the top. So here we go. Ready, ready, ready. Here we go. I'm so sorry. I hope you didn't write in pen. If you did, just kind of scratch out the symbol, the minus on the top. Alright, there's no more minus on the C. The minus is just on the 4. The negative is just on the 4 over here. Alright, here we go. So I look for fractions. Are there any fractions? Yes, there are fractions. Who's the fraction over here? Who's messing it up? The negative 4 is. So you grab that negative 4, he's the problem, put him in parentheses behind the 12, just like that. Same thing for the other side. Let's go to him. Is there a fraction here? Oh, yes, there is a fraction. Who's the fraction? The negative 4 is the fraction. So I'm going to circle that negative 4. He's the problem, right? Because he's making the fraction. So I got to write that problem in parentheses behind the 12. Now, all we got to do is do the math now. Let's see what's happening. The C, did we touch the C? Nope, C falls down. Equals stays there. This negative 4 is gone, right? So I don't even have to worry about him. Did we touch this 12? Yes, we did touch that 12. That 12 is getting multiplied. So it's 12 times negative 4. Put that in your calculator. You end up getting a negative 48. Nice, done. This guy right here, here we go. Did we touch, let's see what happens. Did we touch this C on the top? No, we didn't. That C comes down. Did we touch this negative 4 at the bottom? Yes, we did. We kicked him out. He doesn't belong here anymore. So he's not there. So he's gone. Write down the symbol right here. 12 times this. Sorry, is the 12 being touched? Yes, the 12 is. 12 times that guy in parentheses gives you a negative 48. And you are You are not done. You are not done. Stop, stop, stop. Time out. Here's where you got to focus up. Check it out, check it out, check it out. You see here, let's go back to 5 and 6. That's why I have these here. You see here how I multiplied by a 4. I did 12 times 4. Here was 12 times 4. But down here it's 12 times negative 4. 12 times negative 4. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, you have to flip the inequality around. So you see how this little mouth right here is facing the 48 like this? I can't leave it like that. I have to flip it around the other way. Why do I have to flip it around the other way? Because I multiplied by the negative 4. Why do I got to flip this mouth around like this? Why is this the answer? Why is this the answer and why is it not this guy on top? Because I multiply by a negative 4. That's why. Anytime you multiply or divide by a negative, you have to flip the sign around. Well, okay, watch this. Why did we do it for the equals? All right, let's flip the equal sign around. Okay, no. Let's flip around again. Okay, let's flip the equals. You can't tell when I flip the equal sign around, so that's why he never flips. He always flips whenever you multiply or divide by a negative sign. That's the hardest part of inequalities. You have to remember that. All right? All right, hey, check it out. Sometimes you will have problems that look like this. It's got 9 equals j plus 4, 9 greater than j plus 4. It doesn't look ugly, but it looks backwards because I'm used to seeing the letter on the left-hand side. So if you want to do that first, you can do that first. Here's how you're going to do it. Watch this. Watch this very carefully. Watch this. I am going to take off this 9 equals, and I'm going to put it on the back. Check it out. There we go. This is fine. Now I can work with this. Now this looks like the first example that we did. All right, check him out right here. See how he's got this stuff? Oh, I feel like he's backwards. I want to fix this first. Yes, let's fix that first. So I'm going to write him on the other side. So check it out. I'm taking this off. Notice though, we know that a 9 belongs on the other side. We know that. But you see this little inequality right here? Which way is he opening up? Which way is he eating? He's eating the 9, correct? So I need to make sure that when I write it on the other side, that he stays eating the 9. Otherwise, if I write it like this, then I have the wrong equation. That's not correct. I have the wrong inequality right here. I've got to make sure if the 9 was getting eaten before, he has to still be getting eaten. So there we go. And then now I can solve it just like normal. All right, guys. Hey, thank you so much. I know you got a bunch of math problems, but hey, we got some problems solved today. Y'all have a great day, man. We'll see y'all later.
Tearing down the roof is my vocation. Anybody want the truth, drop your location. Yeah, and we gon' wiggle out and pull up. Demons ain't safe when we glide. Yeah.